channel. So in this video I'm gonna be sharing with you guys some of the tips that you need to keep in mind while buying a foundation. Number one thing is, don't buy foundation online if it's your first time. Go to some store, go offline and buy the foundation, because you have to buy the foundation which matches your skin tone. Otherwise it is gonna look gray and unnatural. Number two, don't buy the foundation during night time. Go in daylight, because the lights in the night time may affect your skin tone and you may end up buying some wrong shade. Number three thing, don't wear anything except moisturizer and SPF while you are buying foundation, because you have to go barefaced, then only you can find the perfect match for your skin tone. Number four, swatch your foundation on your face, not on your hands, because the color of the hands may vary and again you may end up buying wrong shade. Number five, know your skin type. Buy the foundation according to your skin type. If you are having dry skin, you will buy some dewy foundation. If you have oily skin type, you will buy some matte foundation. Number six, know your undertone. Indian skin tones have warmer undertones, but I suggest you check on your undertone and then buy the foundation. How you can check? In your wrist some veins go right here. If they are green, you are having a warmer undertone, golden undertone. If they appear in some purplish or bluish tone, then you are cool undertone, and if both appear, then you are neutral undertone. So keep these things in mind while you are buying foundation to get the perfect possible foundation. So I'll just sum it up for you guys. Number one thing is, don't buy foundation online. Number two, buy during daytime. Number three, go barefaced. Number four, know your skin type. Number five, don't swatch your foundation on your hands. Number six is know your undertone. And yes, that's pretty much it for today. I hope you like this video. If you did, then please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And yes, also subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. And yes, I'll see you in my next video. Until then, you take care, stay safe, stay connected. Bye.